Regent Street flyover carries the A64M motorway over the A61 dual carriageway. Together, these are two of the busiest highways in the Leeds City Council network, each carrying in excess of 30,000 vehicles per day. The original flyover structure was constructed in the 1960s. It had reached the end of its usable life, which facilitated the need for its replacement.
One of the main design challenges faced by the design team of Regent Street flyover was that the proposed structure had to fit within the exact footprint of the existing structure, while also tying perfectly into the 6 structures on either side which support the A64 inner ring road. In order to get the level of accuracy required for the detailed design of the bridge, multiple 3D cloud surveys were carried out of the existing structure and the surrounding infrastructure. This then fed into the design development and also led directly into a proposed 3D model of the structure, which supported the 4D model and also was used throughout the construction phase by the site engineers.
Another key challenge to the project was moving these 43 metre long steel beams into the city centre. This required extensive modifications to the highways around Leeds and also collaboration with West Yorkshire Police Escorts team and also Balfour Beatty's traffic management team.
At the start of the Regent Street flyover project, we set some ambitious economic, social and environmental social value targets with our client Leeds City Council. Throughout the project, we not only reached our targets, but also surpassed many of them, achieving a total social value add of £10.8 million. In October 2021, we released our children's books, Cones and Building Bridges, which teaches young children about all of the amazing opportunities within construction, all of the different jobs that there are, and also the importance of safety in and around a construction site. On the Regent Street flyover project, we've also hosted 4 graduates and 3 apprentices, and we've provided new jobs for 26 local people as well.
The completion of the Regent Street flyover is very important in terms of our wider transport strategy. The transport strategy says Leeds is a city where you won't need a car. We will have cars, but they will use the inner ring road to go round the city centre, allowing us to close the city centre to through traffic. So we will have, in a year or so's time, a city square which will be a traffic-free, world-class gateway to our fabulous city where people can enjoy better air quality and therefore shopping and leisure and everything Leeds has to offer.